Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to make your Google slide vertical for your mobile or mobile friendly. So let's start with the video. So here I am going to show you. So this is my Google slide. So first I have only one slide. So how you can change it to vertical? Just go to the file, and here you can see the page setup option. Just click on it, and here you can see the page setup. You can change vertical, like you can change here size in widescreen standard. But if you want to make it vertical, you go to the custom, and here you have to change with pixel, and come to the Google, and you can change the vertical size ratio. Okay, vertical size ratio in pixel, if you don't know. Okay, so you can see 1080 and 1920. Okay, just apply, then your slide convert into the vertical. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.